For the rest of the day, we're looking forward to the Inclusive and Adaptive Practice Workshop. We feel that as a school with high SEN, we'll get quite a lot of guidance and information from that workshop.
We're all absorbed into AI at the moment, and the most important thing that's come out of that is understanding that actually AI is only what we put into it. And I think that's been the most inspiration part of this morning, that we are responsible for the future.
It's often about taking the lessons from the workshops or the keynotes and making them come alive in your school. So I think that's always the challenge. It's very much about being inspired, but then what do you do with it on a practical and operational level?
We had a session about parental engagement, which of course is extremely important because it helps with attendance, safeguarding, as well as achievement. You know, those are areas we work hard to improve on. So getting the parental engagement right means we get people in the right place at the right time.